Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chris. My name is Chris and today we are going to be eating a completely microwavable cheeseburger. So as you can see, I have assembled the ingredients in front of us. So going from this side to this side, we can clearly see we have a bun with what looks like cheese on it. This is apparently the meat that is going to be going in our mouths. And then this frozen bun. Thaw some of the ice off there. So anyway, we are going to cook this bad boy for 1.5 minutes in the microwave, and we're gonna see how it tastes. So what I'm going to do to assemble this is take the meat. I'm gonna put this on top of the lower bun as such. I'm then going to take the top bun with the cheese on it. I'm going to put it on top, hence giving us a cheeseburger. All right, let's put this in the microwave. I don't know how the microwave works. What the heck? Oh. Okay. We're gonna go for a minute for you. All right, so now that it is done cooking in the microwave, we're going to take it out. It smells so good. We're gonna take it over and we're gonna actually let it sit for about a minute. But as you can see, the cheese is actually melted onto the meat, so I can't even lift the top bun off. That's how you know it's done. Welcome back to Cooking with Chris. We have our cheeseburger. It's been in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, and then we took it out and we let it rest for almost 2 minutes because it was a little hotter than anticipated. So now we're going to go for the taste test. Gonna just eat this. I'm actually gonna finish it, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty good. A little jank, but you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. This is good. I like it. Come to New Mexico. Get yourself a microwave cheeseburger. Specialty down here.